Ever stop to think about your garage door? It's the largest moving object in your home, a complex system you likely use every day without a second thought. That is until it groans, shudders, or simply refuses to move. That moment of panic is a universal homeowner experience. But here's the single most important thing to understand. Your powerful garage door opener isn't actually lifting your heavy door. The real work is done by a set of tightly wound springs. Your garage door is a finely balanced system. The springs are calibrated to make the door feel nearly weightless, and the opener just provides the gentle push to get started. When that balance is broken, the system is under immense stress, and what seems like a simple jam could be a sign of a dangerously failing part. Understanding this principle is the first step from being a worried homeowner to an informed one. This guide will walk you through how your door works, how to spot common problems, what you can safely do yourself, and when it's absolutely time to call a professional.